pulling away.
My husband's guapo.
Sit.
No, my husband's guapo.
Down.
Confidence gets loud when consequences still feel imaginary. Today we're looking at another case where confidence walks in first, convinced the rules are optional and the volume will win the argument. Loud, dramatic, and completely certain nothing serious is about to happen. Reality is about to disagree. Let's see how that confidence holds up.
Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, how you doing? Are you all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a ride home?
Yeah, waiting for guapo.
You're waiting for what?
Guapo.
Okay. He doesn't want you back in the store. Ma'am. Do you have a ride home?
Yes, I'm waiting for guapo.
I don't know who that is.
You don't know him, right?
Okay. Well, if he doesn't want you inside the store, you need to come outside. Ma'am, I need you to come back here. Hey, I'm telling you to stop. If you do not stop, you're going to be placed under arrest. I'm telling you to stop. I'm telling you to stop. Just lock yourself in the bathroom. Nope, in this one, in the stall. I need you to step out of there, please. We're just trying to make sure that you get home.
Babe, this is
What are we doing?
Babe, this is so
Come on over, please.
I'm trying to tell me to go.
Ma'am.
We need you to step out of the...
Telling you what
We need you to step out of the bathroom, please.
Come on out, please. You're not using the bathroom, so come on out.
At this point, she locks herself inside the bathroom and seems to believe the investigation will simply disappear, like police work operates on a wait it out and go home policy. It doesn't. Officers don't walk away just because someone hides behind a door. If anything, it just turns a simple situation into a longer one. And judging by the way this is going, patience is running out faster than she thinks.
Ma'am.
We need you to step out of the bathroom, please. What's your name?
How'd you get here? How can we help?
Did I do something? Like that.
Did you talk to them yet?
No.
Please find out what the story is. You good?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I found that that do something. No!
Can you step out of the bathroom for me so we can...
Dad, do something now!
Who are you talking to?
Like, I'm Madison, do something right now.
Are you on the phone?
I don't know who you are.
She's screaming at
It's unintelligible. Are you on the phone? Or are you talking to me?
He said she threw a bag of candy at, but he missed. He ducks.
Yeah.
But,
Looks like she grabbed a Pop Tart off the shelf too and she's eating that.
ma'am, are you using the bathroom or not?
Yeah, she is. She's got her pants. I can't tell if she's on the phone or not.
Alright, this is probably I swear. I don't know, it's screaming at me. I need to do something! I don't give a bro, you got to do something!
That voice lands somewhere between shouting and full volume alarm siren. Loud, sharp, and impossible to ignore. If that's the everyday soundtrack in her household, then whoever lives with her deserves a medal for endurance.
Are you on the phone?
Are you dead?
Are you talking to me or are you on the phone? Can we get you a ride home?
Right now.
Can we get you a ride home?
I'm gonna leave right now.
What did you say?
Wanna leave right now?
I can't understand what you're saying. Can you hear me? Can you tell me your name, please? Do you need paramedics? Ma'am, can you hear me? Hello? Can you answer me, please?
Me vale verga, es que se vayan por la casa o si no, venga la puta casa. Me vale verga, no me gustan, me vale verga, grítales. Grítale.
Where's Jacobo at?
Jacobo?
Yeah, you might need to translate. She was speaking English, now she's only speaking Spanish. Are you coming out now? No, stop.
I don't know you.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know you.
What's your name?
I don't know you.
I get it. I'm telling you to stop. I'm telling you to stop. I'm telling you to stop. I'm telling you to stop.
No, you don't know
I'm telling you to stop.
Bro, don't touch me, bro.
Don't push me.
Bro,
Don't push me.
Don't touch me.
I don't care.
I'm Guapo's wife.
I don't care. Stop. I'm telling you to stop. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
She claims she's Guapo's wife, which immediately raises another question. Who exactly is Guapo? Because if he really deals with this level of chaos on a regular basis, then he might actually be doing the public a favor. One very loud personality removed from the dating pool, a quiet act of heroism.
Put your hands behind your back.
No reason to touch me,
Stop.
bro.
Stop.
Stop. You have no reason to touch me, bro.
Turn around. Turn around. Stop.
Don't touch me.
Put your purse down. Put your purse down.
Don't touch me.
Put your
Don't
purse down.
touch me.
Put your purse down.
Don't touch me.
Put your purse down. Put it down. Put it down. I know. Stop. Stop.
Why are you rotating me for?
Get over
I
here.
have no attorney.
Stop.
Yes, I have no
Let
attorney.
go.
Don't
I'm telling you to let go.
That's why your
I'm telling you to let go.
touching you.
Stop.
Tell him.
Stop.
Stop.
Why is he
Stop
touching
resisting.
me?
Stop.
Why is he
Hold
touching me
still.
for?
Stop resisting.
Stop.
Listen to what he's telling you.
Listen to what I'm saying. How many times did I say you can't push away?
Hold
Stop.
Hold still.
Stop.
Hold still.
I am Rafa's wife. Why are you pushing me?
Are you here with
Can
somebody?
you?
No,
Yes,
she's
I'm
not.
Rafa's wife.
Nobody knows what that means. Turn around.
Why is he touching me?
Here, let go.
Why is he detaining me
Hold
for?
still.
What's the reason?
Hold still.
What's the reason he's detaining me for? He has no reason to
Yes,
detain me.
because you pushed past me twice when I told you you could not go.
And you
Stop.
assaulted the clerk.
Can you can
stop.
I get a call? Wow.
Sit still. Here, let's go here. Come on. Walk.
Hello, you can't see me. I didn't touch you for no reason.
Stop. Stop pulling away.
Bro, what the
Stop pulling away.
You're stupid.
And for context, officers didn't show up randomly. Staff called them because she had been harassing customers inside the gas station. So this wasn't a misunderstanding, it was a disturbance. Guapo might tolerate the drama, but a room full of strangers usually doesn't. And judging by the volume level here, she seems determined to set a new personal record.
Bro, why the
Stop.
are you detaining
Stop
me?
pulling away.
You don't have no reason to
Stop
detain
pulling
me.
away.
What the
You have a cage?
problem?
No.
No, I'm Guapo's wife. What the is your problem? Bro, touch
Sit
me.
down. Sit down.
Touch me.
Sit
Bro, what the
down. Sit down. Just all you have to do is sit down.
No, because
you're
Guapo's
going with
my
us then.
husband. What the is wrong? He does not have to take me. He has no reason to take me.
Huh?
Right. Right.
Do you
Tell
have
him.
ID on her?
Right.
Or no?
Nothing.
What's his
She
problem?
came charged out of the
What's
bathroom and tried to run past
problem?
me.
No.
Sit down.
No, you're
Sit there.
stupid.
Don't move.
My husband's Guapo.
Sit there.
Why the
You're trying to get him
me?
here. Stop.
No, my husband's
Sit
Guapo.
down.
Don't touch
Sit down.
me.
Sit there.
Guapo, tell him. Are you deaf? Don't
Sit
touch
there.
me.
Stop
Are
pulling
you
away.
deaf? My husband's screaming at you.
Nobody. Your
Right,
husband isn't here.
Don't touch
Sit
me.
here.
Don't you deaf?
Stop.
Don't touch me.
Stop
I
pulling
don't
away.
care about. Don't touch me.
Sit there.
Guapo, grítale.
Sit
Don't
there.
ever touch me.
Sit there.
You don't know you.
Sit there. Hey, get us
Guapo's
a
an
cage here.
artist. Are you deaf? Are you deaf?
Sit there. Stop.
Then
Stop
don't
pulling
touch
away.
me. Leave me alone.
If you cooperate, I'll let
Leave me
go.
alone.
If you cooperate,
Mama,
stop. Stop. Stop kicking me.
That was impressive in the worst possible way. On the unofficial Banshee scale, this probably lands around a 9, high-pitched, relentless, and clearly coming from deep reserves of frustration. If this is a daily routine for Guapo, the man deserves hazard pay.
Stop it. Just relax. Just relax.
Cállate, no me estés tocando.
Just
idiota, yo
relax.
no te
Stop kicking me.
conozco.
Stop it.
Idiota, yo no
Just
te
sit there.
conozco.
Stop. Yes.
Are you deaf?
Stop it.
No.
Stop.
My husband is screaming at you. Leave me alone.
Sit there. Just cooperate.
Then leave me
Stop.
alone.
I
Then
will.
don't touch me.
Then stop.
Don't touch my
Stop.
husband's screaming at you.
Stop.
Then
Stop
stop. Don't
pulling
touch
away.
me. Don't
Stop it.
touch me.
You gotta stop.
Then stop touching
You
me.
gotta
Then
stop.
stop touching me. Are you deaf? He's screaming at you
You
to
stop
leave me
kicking.
alone.
What? He's willing to arrest her for assault.
Well, she's been
Are
better
you
than a
deaf?
police
No.
officer.
To my wife
So,
and my
clear the cage
husband
coming?
telling you to leave you alone.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop.
Ah, my husband's telling you to leave me alone, bro.
Stop.
Is he okay?
Stop.
My husband's picking me up.
Stop. Just relax. Stop it.
Sit still.
My husband's picking me up.
What's your
I don't
name?
know what's wrong with it.
What's your
No,
name? Ma'am, what's your name?
stop.
What is
Stop.
your name?
Just
What
sit
is
there.
wrong with
Just
you?
sit there.
What's your name?
We don't know.
What's your name? Ma'am,
Stop.
what's your name? What is your name?
No, my
Sit down.
What is your
husband,
name?
my husband's picking me up.
What is your name?
Guapo, my
Your
husband's
name?
husband's
No,
name
your
is
name.
Guapo.
Your name.
My husband's say. My husband's Guapo.
say?
My husband's Guapo.
What's your last name?
He's say.
Issei?
Yes.
What's your first
Stop touching
Stop.
me aggressively.
Just sit.
He's driving me
Just sit.
Because you need to just sit down, please.
Do something.
Sit down,
I
please.
know you're listening.
Ma'am,
Guapo.
sit down, please.
Stop.
Ma'am,
Sit
I'm pulling
down.
your
Okay,
skirt down,
stop.
okay? I'm pulling your
Stop.
skirt
No,
down.
that's only
I
stop
don't want you
touching
to
me.
Sit down.
Bro,
Sit
someone
down.
touch me. I need to go pee.
Sit down.
Now she suddenly needs to use the bathroom, after spending the last 10 minutes hiding inside one. Timing like that tends to raise eyebrows. When the story keeps shifting, it stops sounding like urgency and starts sounding like stalling.
Just sit down.
Then let me stop.
Sit
Go
down.
pee. I need to go pee. Stop.
Then sit down.
Don't let me
Have a seat.
Have a seat. Stop
Then
pulling away.
stop.
Seat.
Have a seat.
I need to go
Ma'am,
pee.
you're under arrest. You understand?
Stop.
You are
Let
under
me.
arrest.
For what?
For assaulting the
I
court.
didn't
Also
do nothing.
Battery to a peace
I need to go
officer.
pee.
Yes.
I need to go pee. Stop.
You just went pee.
You're
Stop.
doing too much.
You can't stop pulling away from me.
Guapo's watching everything. I know
Stop
he's watching
pulling
through
away.
the cameras. I'm not stupid. Are you deaf? They're rich. Guap and Twak are rich. Are you
Sit.
deaf?
Sit down.
They will come get
Sit
you and your
down.
family. Are
Sit
you
down.
stupid?
Sit down.
That's what I thought. Let
Sit
me go because
down.
I have to pee.
Sit.
I have to
Sit
pee.
down now. If you cooperate and calm down, we'll let you go pee.
I have to pee right now.
Stop.
Go.
Stop
let me
it.
pee. Stop telling me to pee right now.
Is Essay? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, I have to
Hey,
pee right
stop.
now. I don't
Stop
care. I don't
resisting.
care.
Stop resisting.
My man's rich. He's
Will you
doing
hold
too
me?
much.
My forearm's talking up.
Sit.
Your officer is doing
I
too
need you to
much.
stop and listen.
Then let me
stop
go
and
pee.
listen. Listen.
Then let me go pee.
Please listen to me.
I'm
You're under
listening.
arrest.
I'm listening.
You're under arrest
For what?
for battering him
I'm not
and for
doing
throwing
anything.
stuff at the
He's
clerk.
doing too much. I'm literally
So
waiting
I
for
want
a
you to. What's your last name? What's your first name? How do you spell it?
It's all. Let me go pee.
How do you spell that, please?
I don't care what was listening. I don't
Ma'am,
care what
listen.
you think.
Listen again. How do you
Are
spell your
you
first name?
deaf?
No, I'm not.
I don't
How do you
care
spell your
what
first
was
name?
listening.
I don't know who Guapo is, and he's not
Then
here.
you must be
So,
Apparently, guapo means handsome, which is interesting because at first it sounded like slang for money. Either way, the mystery remains. We haven't seen him, and at this point the curiosity is understandable. Anyone capable of tolerating this level of daily chaos deserves at least a brief introduction.
I want you to stop and
He's
listen
the
to me.
biggest rapper you will
listen to me.
ever know in your f***ing life.
Ma'am.
That's how big
Ma'am.
it is. Exactly.
Ma'am, I want you to give me your first name, please.
Itzo.
Spell it.
That's my name.
Spell
It's all. It's all.
You runner?
I don't have a birthday.
Okay. What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth?
Huh?
What's your date
Well,
of
she
birth?
was only speaking Spanish, and then she's gone off the rails.
What is your date of birth?
Right.
What is your date of birth?
Wait, tell him. Why am I telling him lies? Damn, I told him. Are you deaf?
You told who? Him? She told you your date of birth?
No. What is your
Date of
birthday?
birth.
What's your birthday?
What month were you born?
Try asking in Spanish.
¿Hablas inglés, verdad? ¿O no? ¿Quieres hablar en español? ¿Qué está pasando? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo te podemos ayudar? ¿Ah? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Please, will you guys say it so I grab the clerk's info?
I think Bowens might have got it.
In the end, the situation ends exactly where this kind of escalation usually does, with charges. Resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and battery on a law enforcement officer. Confidence can carry an argument for a while, but paperwork always gets the final word.